you on this. The next question is regards to the PM's announcement yesterday on home financing models. So specifically, the question is, in the PM's press release, BNI has been told to review the home financing models to help like B40 and M40 own homes. So what is Bank Negara's comment on this recent development?
So can we have that slide back on the financing to household? So banks have been highly supportive of home ownership. In 2021, banks approved more than 60 billion ringgit to first-time house buyers. And of this, more than 60% of the new loans approved were for properties priced 500,000 and below. So on top of this, there are also numerous guarantee schemes in place to support home ownership, especially for the lower income group. If I recall, Jagamas has a scheme called Scheme Rumah Pertamaku, and under BSN, they have this scheme called Scheme Jaminan Kredit Perumahan. And so these are some of the schemes that are available to help first-time house buyers. But we understand that since the pandemic, a lot of things have changed. This includes the realities around housing demand. Financing models may also need to adjust. For example, as remote working becomes more common, prospective buyers may be more open to buying properties outside of the city center. There are already rent-to-own financing schemes, and for those working in the growing gig economy with less predictable sources of income, improve access to alternative data such as utility and telephone bills and rental payments can be a source of credit assessment by lenders. So, and this can be supported by an ecosystem that facilitates greater data sharing, not just among the private sector, but also the government agencies. And this is, if you recall, is one of our recommendations outlined in our recently published financial sector blueprint. So the bank has always maintained that while it is key, this is not an issue that can be addressed by financing alone. At the end of the day, most housing is still too expensive for many Malaysians. So we need to address this too, even as we embark on more innovative financing solutions. This includes dealing with the acute supply and demand mismatch in the housing market, improving house price transparency, and ensuring a vibrant rental marketplace is in place for those who are not ready or do not want to own house.